Hello everyone, thank you for spending your time to watch my video. Today I'm going to show you how to make flan cake. That is kind of a French dessert. It is super easy to make with simple ingredients. So please stay tuned and I will show you step by step how to make your own flan cake. For the ingredient, it requires 6 eggs, 450 ml milk, non-sugar milk, and around 200 grams of sugar. Alright, so you pour in around half of the sugar, just half of it, and continue whipping. And okay, this look good. And for the milk, we need to warm it up a little bit around 60 degrees. So I'm gonna put it into a microwave for 3 minutes. You just keep stirring it to make it well blended together. Yeah, that's good. And to make your cake look smooth and soft, you need to remove all the bubble on top of this. Okay, it's like this. Okay, that's really good. This is very good. Okay, so now we turn to the caramel sugar to put at the bottom of the flan cake, and I will use on of the sugar for that. Okay, just put it in. Just wait and put some water in. See? Now you pour in the mixture of egg, sugar and milk into each of the cup. Just slowly and slowly. Don't create a bubble. Alright, it on set and just waiting for about 45 minutes. Look at this. It looks soft, tender and smooth. You can see it, right? Okay, so now I will taste it. Okay. Wow, it's really good. You know, living far from home, moving here for studying, I don't have many friends to hang out like before. So cooking is kind of new entertainment and hobby for me. So I do enjoy it and I hope you can get some inspiration from my video. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye bye.